In this video, we provide an overview of DB2 application development. This is the agenda for this presentation. If you need more details about this topic, refer to the supporting material. Let's start with an overview of DB2 application development. DB2 application development is divided into two parts as shown in this figure. The first part is client-side development. This is the development performed at a client machine where, for example, you create your Java application that accesses a DB2 database. This is represented in the figure on the left side, where you have a client machine where an application programmer develops and runs his program in this client machine. In addition to the operating system, an IBM data server client may be installed. Depending on the type of application being developed, an IBM data server and client includes the required drivers such as the JDBC drivers and the ODBC CLI drivers to run your Java or C++. Applications respectively that interact with a DB2 database, these drivers can also be downloaded independently by visiting the IBM DB2 Express website at ibm.com DB2 Express. Using programming tools such as IBM Data Studio, Infos Pure Data Architect IDA, Relational Software Architect RSA, Relational Application Developer RAD, and so on, you can develop your application in your desired programming language. The API library supporting these languages are also included with the IBM Data Server client, so that when you connect to a DB2 server, all the program instructions are translated appropriately using these APIs into the SQL or XQuery statements understood by DB2. The second part of DB2 application development is server-side development. This is represented on the right side of the figure, where a DB2 server is illustrated containing one database. Within this database, there are stored procedures, user-defined functions, and triggers. A client application may invoke these stored procedures or functions. We describe all of these objects in more detail in the next slides. In this presentation, we will first talk about server-side development and then about client-side development.